In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cache static content with Cloudflare. We'll walk through the Cloudflare dashboard together, set sensible caching controls for your static assets, and cover a few options for clearing cache files when you need to update them. Start by opening your Cloudflare dashboard. From the main view, head to the domains area and select the website you want to optimize. Once you're inside that site's settings, go to the caching section, then open the configuration tab. This is where you'll manage both how Cloudflare stores your static content, things like images, CSS, and JavaScript, and how you clear it when you need fresh versions to appear for visitors. First, let's look at clearing cache. Choose Custom Purge if you want to remove specific items. You can purge by URL to target a single file, such as a style sheet or image. Purging by hostname clears everything under a specific subdomain. Purging by tag is useful if your application assigns cache tags to related assets, letting you invalidate a group at once. Purging by prefix clears everything that starts with a path you specify, which is handy when you deploy a folder of versioned assets. Use these targeted options when you've updated part of your site and don't want to disrupt other cached files. If you need a complete reset, there's Purge Everything. This immediately clears the entire cache for the site, so Cloudflare will fetch fresh copies of all assets on the next request. It's powerful, but use it sparingly because it temporarily increases origin load until the cache warms up again. When prompted, confirm to proceed. Next, adjust how Cloudflare caches your content. Set the caching level to determine how aggressively static content is stored. A higher level can improve load times by serving more files from the edge, reducing trips to your origin server. You'll also see a setting for how to treat query strings. Choose no query string if your assets never change based on parameters. Select Ignore query string to consolidate variants when parameters don't affect the file contents. Pick standard when different query strings truly represent different versions, such as cache-busting URLs your build system generates. Finally, configure the browser cache TTL. This controls how long a visitor's browser keeps files locally before checking back. Shorter durations ensure rapid updates, while longer durations boost performance and reduce bandwidth. Choose the duration that matches how frequently your static assets change. With version file names, you can comfortably use longer TTLs since updates ship under new file names. That's it. Your static content is now optimized and ready to fly through Cloudflare's edge.